Welcome back, Linux and tech lovers. Well, some of you may not know about this, but there's something called the Shorty Awards, nominating and recognizing social media influencers. I don't know why they call this Shorty. Anyway, this is the 10th annual Shorty Awards, and I thought we would take a look at some of the nominees. Now, let's see. Voting started January 16th and ended February 22nd. So under arts and then entertainment, you can see a bunch here. Comedy, dance. I'm more interested in the YouTuber stuff. We have music, TV show. Let me look at music real quick. Do I listen to any of these? A little bit of John Mayer is about it. TV show, I watched The Blacklist. Yeah, anyway, let's move on. Content of the year, emoji and GIF, Instagram, memes. Creative and media, animal art, beauty, fashion, food. Oh yeah, I'm Italian, so let's see. I would vote for Food Babe in New York. Hey, see what I'm saying? Rachel Ray. Okay, that's nice. Health and wellness. I don't recognize any of those. House and home. Do not recognize those. Journalist. And I do not know any of those. Let's scroll down. Lifestyle, literature, parody, parenting, family, sports. All right, let's go down to Team Internet. Breakout YouTuber. You see some names here. Creator of the Decade. This is where you might see some of these names that you recognize. Casey Neistat. Yes, dude, perfect. Gigi Gorgeous, Hannah Hart, Jenna Marbles, Lily Singh, Lisa Cosby, Mark Lepper, MKBHD, Fine Young Man, Philip DeFranco, I watch occasionally, Rhett and Link, and Tyler Oakley. Instagrammer, live streamer. I do a lot of live streams. Am I on this list? I'm not. Gee. I wonder how they missed me. Muser, Snapchatter, Twitch streamer. I do not do Twitch. Maybe I'm on the vlogger. I do a lot of vlogging. Oh, they missed me again. Dang. YouTube comedian, YouTube ensemble, YouTube musician. Maybe I'm here. YouTuber of the year. Okay, let's see. No. Okay. Tech and innovation. Maybe I'm under here. Activism, don't know much of that. Education, I teach a lot of people about Linux. No, in fact, I don't see much about Linux here in general. Gaming, podcast. I do podcasts. Okay, maybe I'm here. Another round, how did this get made? Oprah, pardon my take. Okay, I'm not there either. I have traveled, but not enough to be on the list. Well, there you have it. Total OS today is not on the awards, on the nominees for the awards, but my Chromium web browser has crashed unexpectedly. I'll leave that closed. Anyway, that's a quick look at the 10th annual Shorty Awards. If I was going to vote for someone, I would vote for, off the top of my head, a young man, MKBHD, I think is his YouTube name. I would vote for him. He seems like a nice fella. So there you have it. That's my opinion. That's all I have for this quick daily tech brief. Don't forget to subscribe and support. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond. Now I'm going to grab a handkerchief and cry I wasn't nominated.